Okay. 8th floor.
Ang floor?
8th floor. Let's go.
Ano, 8. Ito to 8. Sa 8 tayo sa 8.
Ayan. Here's their elevator. It needs key card pala. Okay, we are here sa hallway. Nice naman ang hallway nila. So, our room is in room 189. Okay. Ito, 818 na to. And then, our room is this one. 819.
Paano mo? Hello, open door.
Open it. Tap. Yan, very good. And then, here. Wow. Ganda. Start tayo sa CR.
Yes.
Ito yung CR nila. Ito. May bathtub din. Ligo tayo dyan mamaya sa bathtub.
Dito yan.
Oo. Tapos, ito yung mirror. Meron silang, ano to? Dental kit, shampoo, and shower gel. There's also a soap. Tissues over there.
No.
Tapos, may pa-slipper sila, dalawa. Laundry bag. And then, hangers. Another mirror over here. Countertop. And then, ito yung fridge. Tapos, ito na yung bed. Oh, may full body length mirror din pala here. Ayan siya. Ito na yung bed. Ito lalagyan ng mga maleta. Coffee cups, tea, and coffee. And creamer. Tapos may pa 2 bottled waters, water heater. Yes. Another mirror. Hello! Ang haba ng table, oh. If you can see it from here, this is the view of it. I booked twin room. So, 2 beds. 2 single beds. And then, ito yung aircon. Nasa baba yung aircon nila, oh. Then, the view. Here's the view. Ayan yung parking area. Diyan kami nag-park. Dito. Yan. The view of Manila. Ayan. This is also a short walk from, to SM Manila. 9 minutes walk to SM Manila. Ayan. Then may another lamp here. 2 lamps. Ano pang laman nito? May pa hair dryer. Ayan. In fairness, ang ganda ng room. Carpeted siya. Carpet siya. Tapos yung bed is malambot. Ito yung telephone nila. Channels. And then, yung TV nila is malaki din. I think it's a 40-inch TV. Ayun siya. Hello!
Oh, hi.
Hi, guys!
Hi.
Hi,
Hi,
Anna.
mommy.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy.
Where are we? Yun lang naman,
Ay,
guys.
dapat eh.
Merong shower area dito. Okay guys, time check. It's currently it's almost 12 p.m. and we're about to check out na. All I can say is for this bed, it ang lambot niya. It's so lambot. I slept well and ang sarap lang humiga. Sulitin ko lang yung binayad ko bago mag-check out. Ang lambot ng bed. So, ayun.